we are up with the second episode of series. Verb with fixed prepositions. So this is the second part. If you have missed the first part, I will be putting link here. This is the second part in which we will be giving you verb with fixed preposition, with dative, with examples and everything. Super duper informative and detailed video. If you have any doubt, you can comment down below, and make sure to subscribe German Gyan YouTube channel now, and on Instagram please do follow. And guys, if you are watching me for the very first time, then my name is Nidhi and I am a CEO and the founder of German Gyan. German Gyan provides you online and offline classes. We do provide teacher training program, exam preparation, brush up classes, module practice, like whatever you can think around German. German Gyan is a one-stop solution. So make sure to subscribe German Gyan. Make sure to keep learning German with German Gyan. But we are wasting the time. Let's start the video.
Let's start the second episode of learning verbs with fixed prepositions. Now in this video we will learning the verbs with their fixed preposition which follows the dative object. So let's start the video. The first verb is sprechen, and the verb used with this verb is mit. It means to speak with. And an example is Ich spreche mit meinem Freund. It means I'm speaking with my friend. Now if you see, we have used the preposition mit, which is a dative preposition, and also this verb with this preposition follows or takes a dative object. That's why we have used meinem. The next verb is sich treffen, and again the preposition is mit. It means to meet with. For example, trifft sich mit seiner Schwester, means he is meeting with his sister. The third verb is sich beschäftigen. Again preposition is mit. It means to be occupied with. For example, wir beschäftigen uns mit dem Projekt, means we are working on the project. Next verb is fragen, and this time the preposition is nach. It means to ask about. For example, ich frage nach dem Weg. It means I ask about the way. The fifth verb is suchen. Again the preposition is nach, and it means to search for. For example, sucht nach seiner Brille. It means he is searching for his glasses. Next verb is sich erkundigen, and the preposition is nach. It means to inquire about. For example, sie erkundigt sich nach den Preisen. It means she inquires about the prices. Abhängen von means to depend on. For example, das hängt von dem Wetter ab. It means that depends on the weather. Another verb is träumen, and the preposition is again von. It means to dream of or to dream about. For example, ich träume von einer Reise. It means I dream of a trip. Warnen vor. It means to warn about. For example, warnt vor der Gefahr, means he warns about the danger. Next verb is sich fürchten, and the preposition is for. It means to be afraid of. For example, das Kind fürchtet sich vor dem Hund, means the child is afraid of the dog. Next verb is passen, and the preposition which comes with this verb is zu. It means to match with. For example, die Schuhe passen zu dem Kleid, means the shoes matches the dress. Gratulieren zu. It means to congratulate on. For example, wir gratulieren dir zum Geburtstag, means we congratulate you on your birthday. Next verb is gehören, and the preposition is zu. It means to belong to. For example, das Buch gehört zu meiner Sammlung, means the book belongs to my collection. Next verb is bestehen aus, means to consist of. For example, das Haus besteht aus Holz, means the house consists of wood. The last verb is sich bedanken and the preposition is bei. It means to thank someone. For example, ich bedanke mich bei meinem Lehrer means I thank my teacher.
So guys, how was this video? I hope you enjoyed. I hope you are like very much into deep information for this particular topic. Please make sure to subscribe German Gyan and keep learning German with German Gyan. Take care. Cheers. We'll catch you in the next